In this video, I'll show you how you can clean up your Gmail storage. So what you need to do once you are on Gmail, you can go to your account in the top right hand corner, and then if you look here at the bottom, you'll see how much % of your storage you've used. You can then go ahead and click on that. Now with Gmail, it will also include your Google Drive, your Google Photos, and any other Google products. You can go and click on the link icon next to these products to go to each one. For me, as you can see, most of my storage is used via Google Drive, so I could click on this link. It will then open up Google Drive, and we can then go ahead and delete any files that we may not need. Make sure once you've moved them to trash by right clicking them and then clicking move to trash, you also go to the actual trash can icon and then empty your trash can. This will then free up some storage. Now if you need to free up emails, you can go to your email section, you can highlight all of them or the ones that you need. You can then click select all, and then you can click on the trash can icon and this will delete them. There are other ways where you can delete only spam, or you can delete your promotions or social emails if that's needed. Again, making sure you go to trash and deleting them from the trash can folder as well.